What if your body could switch from burning sugar to burning fat for fuel? That's the idea behind the keto diet, a powerful shift in how your body creates energy. The keto or ketogenic diet is a low carbohydrate, high fat eating plan. By reducing carbs and increasing healthy fats, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it burns fat instead of glucose for energy. When carbs are low, your body uses stored fat to create molecules called ketones. Ketones become your new energy source. On keto, meals focus on healthy fats like olive oil and avocado, protein like eggs, fish, and meat, low-carb vegetables like spinach and broccoli, and you limit sugar, bread, rice, and pasta. If you want to start keto, keep it simple. 1. Reduce carbohydrates gradually. 2. Increase healthy fats. 3. Stay hydrated. 4. Plan your meals. 5. Be patient. Your body needs time to adapt. Some people follow keto for weight management, better energy, or blood sugar control, but it's not for everyone. Always research carefully and consult a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes. Diets don't change lives, habits do. Whether keto is right for you or not, the key is awareness, discipline, and balance. Choose the path that fuels your body and your future.